Hi. So now let's do one more important thing, so called the brainstorming. Okay. Okay. Let me insert a page break. Uh, Page break. Okay. Now here let me write a heading: chat chat GPT. What? Brainstorming. Oh, what is happening? Okay. Chat GPT brainstorming. Ing. Okay. Look, Chat GPT cannot replace your creativity. You should understand this, okay? Because it is just an artificial intelligence tool, okay? But you can use it to give yourself new ideas and new perspective, okay? You can use ChatGPT as someone who is always ready to brainstorm and who is always brainstorming things or whatever he got in his life. Okay, first for this you should do two things. First, you should define the topic clearly. What is the meaning of this? Look, before using an artificial intelligence to help you, you should always clarify the topic. Like, are you starting a new business, or you want to find the name of your dog, you want to find the right time for doing exercise, or whatever it is. Okay, so let me tell you it via an example. So let me write some brainstorming ideas for activities for a birthday party of a specific child, like 5-year-old girl. Okay, this is basically a, defining a topic clearly. Okay, secondly, you should always ask open ended questions. Unlike when you ask ChatGPT for something specific, it is really important to keep it open ended for brainstorming sessions, because this will give you a wider range of response. Okay, let me tell you via an example. We will cover these two topics in this brainstorming example. Okay, let me write what are the or what are some unique ideas. Unique I am writing because I want to brainstorm. Okay, what are some unique ideas for activities? Now I am doing some specific job for 10 years, or not 10 year, let's say 5 year 5-year-old girl at a birthday party. Okay, simple. Or let me do it or clearly. What are some unique ideas? What are some unique ideas for 10 activities for 5-year-old girl at birthday party? Understood? If I'll run this, okay, sure, here are 10 unique activity ideas for a 5-year-old birthday party. Now it has given me some unique responses: fairy garden, DIY princess crowns, cupcake decorating, bubble wrap stomp, story book character dress up, dance party. Okay, these all are what? These all are some unique ideas, some unique activities for a 5-year-old girl. Okay, so this is the good list of starting point. So now if I want to narrow it down, I want more keen observation, I want it narrowness, then so that it could expand further. So what I'll do, I'll continue to this message. I will not delete it, I will not take a new chat, I will continue to this message. What? This is basically called the follow up part, what I am doing right now. Okay, let me write it. Follow up for more details. Okay, so what I'm right now, what I'll do, from the list what we got here, let's move forward with the ideas, let's say 1 to 5. Okay, and combine them into one for nature princess party, let's say, or something more. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll write combine ideas, continue it. Okay, combine ideas 1 and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. What is 5? 1 is fairy garden and 5 is storybook character, or let's say princess crown. Combine idea 1 and 2, 1 and 2, not use 5. Combine ideas 1 and 2. Okay, and make this into some unique experience that the children will always remember. Okay, so and let me give some specific thing in actionable format, like write a story the girls can act out, and make sure it gives everyone something to do, or everyone could get involved. You can write anything what you want, but try to write it specific. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, combine 1 and 2. Now 1 is what? Fairy garden and Divine Princess Crown. Okay, now it combined. Certainly here is a story that combined the fairy garden and Divine Princess Crown ideas, providing an interactive and memorable experience for the children. Title is The Enchanted Crown Quest. Once upon a time in a magical garden I lived in a brave. So it will include all these topics. These two topics will get included. Okay, so now I think it is a storybook overall. Now it's your turn, princess, to act out the story and embark on your own enchanted crown quest. Okay, so now that sounds like a good time. Okay, now even you can refine it further. Okay, let me write again. Refine further. If you want to, then you can do. I am just writing a hierarchy so that you could understand. Let's say for the storybook character, dance party, or yes, this is a balloon art workshop. For balloon, what we can do, we can add something more. For activity, I am continuing it. Okay, don't use different chat box, just continue so that it could stick on the topic. I am assigning a role, okay, to ChatGPT so that it could continue giving me the response. This is called the brainstorming, researching again and again. Okay, for activity 9, give me 2 examples of let's say epic narration from each activity. Okay, or for activity it is a balloon one, so give me two example of example from each activity. You should always remove whatever is not needed. So I am doing the same, and just say something we can use as no, not use, we can build for fun. Okay, this is a simple one. For activity line 9 is our balloon topic, this balloon one, balloon art workshop, and now I am giving something specific. Give me two example of each activity and something we can build for fun. Simple one. If I'll run this, yes, balloon animals. First I am getting the balloon animals, and secondly I am getting balloon shapes. A sword I can make, demonstrate how to twist and shape balloons into a short shape. A dog, teach your children how to twist the shape of balloon to create an adorable dog balloon animals. Two activities I got. Even I got some precaution. Remember to ensure the safety of the children during the workshop and provide adult supervision or assistance is necessary. Have a great time building these fun balloons creation. Okay, so that was actually an example of how you can start with a basic idea. Okay, the basic idea, and with the help of this ChatGPT prompt you can transform it to do something unique. Okay, so that's what I actually wanted to tell you, that you can use the prompt for brainstorming. First, always remember the hierarchy, define the topic clearly, then ask the open-ended question, continue to it, stick to it, and then follow up for more details so that you could get some narrow output, and then refine it further till end. If you'll get the satisfactory result, then stop it. Otherwise, do it again and again, and ChatGPT will give you the good output. Understood? So hope you guys like the video, and if you have any questions, any doubt, just give it in the discussion box or in description or in the comment section. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Okay, let's move to the next video. Till then, bye bye.